In this experiment, we're going to observe a synthesis reaction, specifically a combustion reaction, in which two or more substances react to create a new one. In this experiment, magnesium is being burned, which means it reacts with oxygen gas to create a final product. The first step is to obtain a balance from the Instruments tab and place it on the workbench.
Then we're going to take a crucible from the container shelf, place it on the balance, and record the mass of the crucible. This is 88 grams.
Next, we remove the crucible from the balance and obtain magnesium from the Materials tab. We drag the magnesium over to the crucible, and we're going to add 5 grams for this experiment.
Then we're going to place the crucible with the magnesium in it on the balance, record the mass, which is 93 grams, and remove the crucible from the balance.
In order for the reaction to actually occur, we must obtain a Bunsen burner from the Instruments tab and place the crucible over the Bunsen burner and set it to the lowest heat setting, which means we press it only once.
Now we're going to wait 1 to 2 minutes.
We fast forwarded through the 1 to 2 minutes of waiting for the reaction to occur. Now we'll take the crucible onto the workbench and turn the Bunsen burner off. And dispose of the Bunsen burner.
Now we have to wait 1 to 2 more minutes in order for the contents in the crucible to cool. We fast forwarded through the waiting on the crucible to cool, and now we're going to drag the crucible back to the balance and measure the cooled contents. The mass is 96.289 grams. Record that in your lab notes and save your lab notes. Now we have completed the experiment, so you need to drag the crucible and the balance to the waste recycle bin in order to clean up the workbench.
This reaction is represented by the chemical equation shown on the screen. In this reaction, solid magnesium reacts with oxygen gas to produce magnesium oxide. This means that 2 moles of magnesium are required to react with 1 mole of oxygen gas and yields 2 moles of magnesium oxide. The final product left in the crucible is solid magnesium oxide.